In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to a Klaviyo email. If you've ever wanted to create urgency for a sale, a product drop, or a limited time offer, a countdown timer is a great way to do it. Klaviyo doesn't include a built-in timer, but the good news is you can easily add one using a third-party countdown tool and a simple HTML block. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type in Mail Timer Countdown Timer tool and open a reputable countdown generator. From the results, you'll want a tool that's designed for email and provides an HTML embed code, since that's what Klaviyo can use. Once you're on the timer site, look for the option to create a new timer. Click Create Timer and set the essentials: your end date and time, the time zone, and the visual design. Be precise with the end time. Set it to the exact cutoff for your offer. Choosing the correct time zone is critical. Align it with the audience you're targeting or your brand's primary time zone, and keep daylight saving in mind. Then customize the design to match your email. Pick colors and fonts that fit your brand, and choose a layout that's easy to read on mobile. High contrast and a clear label like "Offer Ends In" can help make it instantly understandable. Most tools generate a dynamic image that updates every time the email is opened, so you don't need to manually refresh anything. After you're happy with the look and settings, save your timer. The tool will provide an embed HTML code. Copy that entire snippet. This code usually points to the hosted timer image, so there's nothing you need to upload to Klaviyo. Now switch to your Klaviyo account and open the email campaign editor for the message where you want the timer. From the content panel, drag an HTML block into the spot where you want the countdown to appear. Click into the block and paste the embed code into the HTML content area. If the timer feels cramped, add some padding or a spacer above and below to give it room to breathe. Click Save, then choose Preview and Test. Send yourself a test email and open it on both desktop and mobile to confirm the timer displays correctly and the time zone aligns with your plan. If your tool offers an expired state, check how it looks after the deadline, so the message remains clear. That's it. Your countdown timer is now live inside your Klaviyo email. Send your campaign with confidence and enjoy the boost in urgency. Thanks for watching.